Hi there, this is Malay and welcome to my channel. In today's video, let's take a look at how do we work with the clipboard actions in Power Automate Desktop. For that, you will search for a clipboard. This actions allows you to work with the machine clipboard that we use to copy the text, copy the content. So let us say I have a text file here wherein I have some statement. Let me go ahead and copy this. So what I have done is I have copied the content which is now available in my clipboard. So if I now use get clipboard text, that will actually retrieve the text that is copied into my machine and will store it into the clipboard text. Now the use case would be if you're copying some content from the web application, web page, or your Windows application, or even a notepad or a WordPad. Anywhere when you copy the content, it will be available into the clipboard. So let's run this now. And you will see that clipboard text will get populated with the content that I just copied from the notepad. Let's wait for that to run. And there we have it. You can see that I have the text from the notepad which is now in the clipboard. Okay, let's go ahead and set clipboard text. Here I would like to set some clipboard text which will be available into my clipboard. So let me go and grab some content. I'm just going to put here whether in the personal development or professional endeavors and then ending with uncharted territories. Okay, that's the clipboard text which will be copied. So let me click on save. Let's go and delete the first one. Let's set this into a clipboard. Let's run this. Let's wait for that to complete. Okay, now let me go ahead and open this. Open a new tab. Right click, paste it, and you will see that the content which is now available in the clipboard can be used to paste the content or can be used as per the need. If you would like to clear the clipboard content, you can simply drag and drop, and this clears the clipboard content. Essentially, it removes everything from the clipboard. So the way we can verify this is this will set the clipboard text. However, this will remove the clipboard text. So if you will paste anything, we should not get any text. So let's run this. Let's again open the notepad. Let's open one more tab. Let's right click, and you see we don't have anything to paste because we don't have anything actually copied in the clipboard. So this is a simple way you can use the clipboard actions in Power Automate Desktop. I thank you so much for watching the video.